Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the Aussie dollar paired with the US dollar at the moment. Got it open on a weekly chart, and I've just had a look over here left, and we have some key levels where this is currently trading. So you can see the golden colored lines, or the bronze colored lines, dotted lines. They're the weekly pivot points, and if we go down to a daily chart, the yellow are my daily. What I'm seeing with this, if we just open this up, say on a, well, we've got the 4 hour on the left, and we have the daily on the right. We've broken through. We've had this bullish candle here on the daily, wicked up, wicked back, and see how we have these pin bar wicks under. This is telling me that we have a bullish bias here, in my opinion. If you have a look, you can see that this is traded down into this range, well, the daily and a weekly, and it's holding up. So it's broken through weekly, daily, weekly levels here, resistance, and we've broken these previous highs. So I'm looking at this break, retest, and fail at this level pretty much. So my bias with this would be long. From this perspective here, we have a bit of a channel. Pull that through here. Highs, lows. Let's take it through the candle bodies. My thing with this would be, even if we pull a Fibonacci from here, okay, that's one idea. And we look to accumulate down around this zone here. All right, well, wherever we're trading at the moment under. One idea, a little bit aggressive, that could be a thing, so we could call that our buy zone. I have a buy zone here somewhere, buy zone. Okay, so that's my idea to go long, idea number one. And then the second idea would be, you want to be a little bit careful. And so that'd be fairly aggressive. But if we go from, we grab this fib here, and we pull it from like a higher time frame perspective, this paints a different picture, and my buy zone in this case is going to be down in here, and that kind of makes a lot more sense to me. I'd be conservative with this. So there's a couple of things here. We have this diagonal, but more importantly we have a big level through here, daily, weekly support zone, so we can call that support. SR level, sell zone support, there it is underneath. It's already wicked down into this, so that would have been, for me, an opportunity definitely to go long in here. But it's kind of not over yet. And big banks, if they're looking for liquidity, they're certainly going to find under here a liquidity zone, definitely. All right, so don't underestimate the pullback. It could come down into here again, and it may or may not. It could trade north, but yeah, that's my idea. So if you're interested in this, you could look at whatever overall position size you want to go in at. Start layering in small, take it a little bit easy here. Okay, the weekly, if it breaks through that, look for another one. Okay, and just set up some limit orders. Whatever your overall position size is, break it up, take it easy, and see if you get a fill. But yeah, my bias is however this plays out, but we get that. I'd like to be a lot more precise and be able to nail exact levels where these things will happen, but that's not an easy gig. But you can go off these levels. So we've got the level weekly, got a level daily. We could look at those for your limit orders perhaps. So I think that's it pretty much. Stop loss would be under here. And this would be a high time frame setup for me, 2 times the ATR on the 4 hour, or have a look at this on the daily. Yeah, 1.5 times the ATR on the daily. Okay guys, that's my take on the Aussie dollar, and as always, safe trading. Check the link below the video in the signature, the description, and visit my YouTube channel. I've got a lot going on there. Have a great day. See you in the next video.